Are you looking for the best baking sheets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best baking sheets that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the KITCHENATICS roasting and baking sheet with cooling rack. Most people are impressed with the size of this baking sheet. With that being said, the roasting and baking sheet measures 9.6 inches by 13.1 inches and the included cooling rack measures 8.8 inches by 12.2 inches by 1 inch. Both the pan and the rack are commercial quality, hence, expect exceptional results when you use them. Ideally, they can be used together by placing the rack inside the pan and then cooking food on top, or used separately by baking items directly on the pan and then using the rack to cool whatever you have made. They can be used for various dishes and desserts such as roasting vegetables, baking sweet treats, cooking bacon, and making crispy chicken wings under the broiler. The pan will not warp and the rack will not rust because both of them are durably constructed. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wilton 15 by 21 inch 2100 50109 non-stick large cookie pan. A piece of bakeware that will hold up to everyday use is exactly what you need. And this is where the Wilton non-stick large cookie pan comes into play. It boasts heavy-duty cold-rolled steel construction that enables it to stand up to everyday use. It also features a non-stick coating and has oversized handles, which make it easy to insert and take out of the oven. The non-stick coating makes cleaning a breeze once you are done using the cookie pan. Since it is designed with versatility in mind, this large cookie pan will prove handy for making muffins, pizza, loaves, and cake pans. It is dishwasher safe, hence, caring for it will not be a problem. Wilton was founded in 1929 and since then, it has been helping cake decorators and home bakers achieve their goals. At number 3, we have the Rachael Ray 47576 3-piece baking sheet set. Making savory and sweet treats should now be a no-brainer. That's because the Rachael Ray 47576 3-piece baking sheet set is just one click away on Amazon.com. The set comes with 3 baking sheets to make sure baking in your kitchen is instantly transformed into a fun activity. The baking sheets are constructed with durable steel that will not warp. As if that's not enough, they have long-lasting nonstick, which offers excellent food release as well as making them effortless to clean. The pans come in 3 different sizes, so you can enjoy the convenience of 3 sizes. They are great for roasting stuffed eggplant, baking potato skins, and broiling cheesy garlic bread, among others. Their bold-colored and extra-wide grippy handles will provide you with a confident grasp when pulling them from the oven. At number 2, we have the Good Cook set of 3 non-stick cookie sheet. Good Cook knows that you need differently sized baking sheets to have real fun baking things. With that being said, they provide 3 differently sized non-stick cookie sheets. Well, these include a small pan, which measures 13 inch by 9 inch, a medium pan that measures 15 inch by 10 inch, and a large pan, which is 17 inch by 11 inch. What's more, Good Cook has constructed these baking sheets with a heavy-duty non-stick coating to help make them much easier to clean after each use. The cookie sheets boast an updated design 2015, meaning they are super durable and capable of withstanding everyday use. The manufacturer provides a lifetime guarantee when you buy the cookie sheets because it believes in their durability and functionality. Overall, these pans come in 3 sizes to make sure there is something for everyone. And finally at number 1, we have the Nordic Ware Natural Aluminum Baker's Half Sheet. You have to go back to 1946 to really know how Nordic Ware was founded. The company has vast experience in kitchenware, and that's why it is loved by many. Their natural aluminum baker's half sheet deserves a shout-out in these reviews because they are proudly made in the USA. They are very versatile and you will be able to use them for warming, toasting, roasting, and baking. Their exterior dimensions are 17.88 inch by 12.88 inch by 1.06 inch and the interior dimensions are 16.5 inch by 11.38 inch by 1 inch. They have aluminum superior heat conductivity that enables them to bake evenly. They also have a reinforced encapsulated steel rim, which prevents warping. Although they are not dishwasher friendly, these baking sheets are easy to clean. That said, simply hand wash them with warm, soapy water after initial use and after subsequent uses. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.